guys, welcome back to Business with Lexi, and for today's video I'm going to create another fun set. I have one of my clients that has had some trauma on her index finger, and unfortunately she lost it and they had to amputate it. What has caused is for her natural nail to grow hugging the tip of her finger. So as she grew up at the salons, they would either polish it or they would put a plastic tip. However, she would lose the nail within a couple days. Now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to create the perfect set and the perfect nail. So let's get to it. Okay, so we are pushing the cuticle back, and this is so we don't get lifting. And then I'm using a drill very lightly over the natural nail. We don't want to take off a lot of layers. We want to do it really light and remove all of the cuticle and the skin that's on top of the nail. So this is going to help for the nail to stay on longer. We're going to be going with the sculpted set, and the purpose of a sculpted set, if you guys see, she has different shapes and lengths on every nail, and we're going to grow our natural nails by doing fills instead of removing the set and then replacing it every other month with a brand new one. So with the sculpted set, there is no need for that. So if the nail gets prepped correctly, we shouldn't have nails popping off for a while. Long time. So now we're going to cut off the cuticle. I don't do this to every person, but when we have a lot of dead cuticle around the growth area, then I do. It just makes the nail look more cleaner. And you got to be real careful with this because these are blades. Okay, now we are applying forms. I'm applying it to the edge of her free edge. What happened to this index finger?
Car door.
With the car door?
Yeah.
So this nail grows going down, and we're gonna lift it. So we're gonna sculpt it. So instead of looking this way, it should look this way. Put some primer.
I was getting out of the back seat of my mom's car.
Yeah.
And I grabbed the thing, you know, to pull myself up, and my brother slammed it up.
So you had your hand and he smashed the door and it just cut your finger off right then and there? They just cut it off? Was it from the hook?
Well, my dad came running out because of course the blood curdling scream that came out of my mouth.
Yeah.
My dad came running out and he got a cup of ice and he picked up my piece of finger, put it in the cup, told me to hold it all the way, and he drove like a banshee down the street. And then it was demolished. They couldn't save my finger.